Hello guys, welcome to i-tutor. Today we will see the next part of mass media and society. Okay, so yesterday we discussed what is mass media, what all are included in that, how it benefit, and what are the objective of this chapter, and everything we saw in yesterday. So today we will discuss the next topic of that is functions of mass media. In a society like ours, mass media have a responsible role to play in fostering democracy, plurality, and communal harmony through the functions listed below. That is, information and education. Of course, mass media share information and also educational help. Also, we will get through all the social media and mass media communication, and it's help to socialization and entertainment, political awareness, cultural transmission, and catalyst to development. These all are the main functions of the mass media. And what is in under information and education? Mass media carry a lot of information which are essential for our day-to-day life. We get in examination results, weather forecast, current affairs, traffic regulations, alerts, precautions, government policies, etc. We will get through this and from mass media, right? The core of the media's information function is performed by the media content called news. Good media try to carry accurate, objective, and complete information, since biased or incomplete reports will keep the audience away from the media. News-based content like report, features, photos, cartoon, and editorial, and now news content like advertisement educate people about the newest trends in their surroundings. Mass media assists formal education system also by publicizing information on educational programs, publishing special educational supplements, and inspiring society to acquire high education. The nowadays, in the time of COVID pandemic, from last 1 year, we are seeing that how mass media helped to in the education field. Okay, and from LKG to the higher level educations, mass media playing vital role to update all the educational through TV, and also classes are conducting through online platforms, and coordination are going through the social media platforms. So mass media role in this time is very crucial and important. Educational supplements published by various Malayalam newspapers, educational television and radio channels are example for educational service of mass media. YS channel of the Consortium of Education Communication under the University Grant Commission and the Gyan Darshan of Doordarshan are some of such a effort. Okay, please remember this. VYAS channel of the Consortium of Education is under the UGC, and Gyan Darshan of Doordarshan, and the Gyan Wani is the educational radio channel of Indira Gandhi National Open University. Gyanwani is the radio channel from IGNO side. Okay, so these all are the examples of mass media education. We already saw the role of communication, IT technology, new digital education system. We already saw what is modern technology of the new education. Okay, and TV channels are helping to the educational materials, and also you can download from YouTube. Also you can download from different Google materials through the Open University, and also UGC also providing the facilities. And in entertainment, we all need entertainment to break the monotony of our hectic, stressful, and divert our attention from the troubles and tensions. All media have entertainment content. Newspapers publish cartoon, comics, puzzles, and special weekend supplements. The lion's share of magazine content such as short stories, novels, satires, and comics are also intended to entertain the audience. So entertainment also important in our social life, right? And what is in how it help in socialization? Socialization means empowering people to acquire norms and experience of the group as a whole. To maintain cultural consensus and communal harmony, it is through mass media that we know the culture and the social norms of various groups in our society. Based on this information, individuals honor others and behave according to the common values, and thus create a integrated society. So it's mass media help for the socialization purpose also. And how it will help through political awareness. If you analyze the mass media, be it television or newspaper newspaper. Most of their content, especially news, is centered on politics in our society. We see our leaders criticizing official and political leaders and advocates for better living condition during the panel discussions on television. Similarly, journalists expose corruption, show developments, and condemn of praise political activities considering their merits. These actions of the media make our democracy vibrant. Thus, mass media assume a key role in setting the agenda for the entire political system and policy making by forming public opinion on various issues. This process is called an agenda setting function. Okay, this function is as important as that of other estates of democracy, the legislature, the bureaucracy, and the judiciary. Thus the media is regarded as the fourth estate of the democracy. Okay, the other three are legislature, bureaucracy, and judiciary, and the fourth estate is the media. So that much important is in the mass media in our society, right? And how it helps to cultural transmission. Mass media are the bridge between our past and the present. They report day-to-day affairs which will become the history of tomorrow. The best records of modern history are newspapers of yesteryears, and we get our cultural tradition from history and we follow the best them. And in keeping our cultural flowing, the media play a vital role, right? It focuses on the genuine aspect of our culture and point out the undesirable trends. You are sitting in the one corner of the world, you will get all the information and culture from the other corner of the world. How it will possible? It's through mass media only, through social media platforms and televisions, newspapers, and other reports are sharing the cultural transmission of other side of the world also. And catalyst to development. Mass media report problems faced by people in different walks of life and make the administration aware them. Media also make people aware of their rights, the details of government subsidies, development policies, etc. They point out the merit and demerits of certain projects. In short, the media support development, either being the advocates of government sponsored development or criticizing of development project which need to be amended. This development oriented function of media termed as development communication. So development communication has been recognized as a specialized area in communication studies and research. So what are the importance of mass media? The pervasiveness of mass media. The mass communication informs, mass media entertains, mass communication persuades, and mass communication binds. The mass media have an important role in modern democratic society as the main channel of communication. The population relies on the new media as the main source of information and the basis on which they form their opinion and voting decision. Any selection of message in the mass media will thus have a profound effect on the entire society. Competition has become increasingly keen in the area of the mass media as they keep fighting for the attention of the readers, listeners, and TV viewers, right? And the life and death of each newspaper and TV station are at stake here when the income from advertising and sponsoring is proportional to the number of readers or viewers. And the printed media have a problem competing with the electronic media as a source of news. To survive, they are increasingly turning to other strategies such as entertainment, tiltation, and scandal mongering, and spreading fear, and spending fewer resources on serious researching of news. This is not only about the survival of the fittest of the news media, it is also about the cultural selection and political selection also. Okay, and now we will see how mass media influence us, that is you and me, right? The degree of influence depend on the availability and the pervasiveness of media. Traditional mass media still have a great influence over our lives. Books once were supremely influential because they came first before newspapers, magazine, radio, or television. Newspapers and magazines become great influence after they were developed. sound recording and film were and still are influential. Radio and then television was very influential. As the 12th century closed, TV exposed us to untold numbers of images of advertising and marketing, suffering and relief, and sexuality and violence, celebrity and much more. Right, the news and influential media distribution channels have appears in the 21st century. New channels are arriving every day to day life, right? And the delivery via the world wide web, that is www dot, and across the internet we are influenced daily by blog, wikis, social network, virtual world, and myriad forms of content sharing. We have put our trust on the media as an authority to give us news, entertainment and education. However, the influence of mass media on our kids, teenagers and society is so big that we should know how it works. The media makes billions of dollars with the advertising they sell, and that we are exposed to every single moment. We buy what we are told to buy by the media. After seeing thousands of advertising, we make our buying decisions based on what we saw on TV, newspapers, or magazines. These are the effect of mass media, especially in teenagers. They buy what they see on TV, what their favorite celebrity advertise, and what is acceptable by society based on the fashion that the media has imposed on them. Okay, so that's the influence in every field. We are we will get the news through TV or radio about the new products. Also your education channels and new apps arrived. These all we will get the information through the medias only. The either by newspaper or TV or internet, and the Facebook or other social media platforms, right? So we will it's such a marketing strategy also doing nowadays, all the business entities through the mass media. And mass media influence our, not only mine or yours, all over the world. Mass media influence the situations, and it's also in not only in one field, also in different fields also, like education, entertainment, tourism, all the sectors mass media is playing their own roles, right? So this is about mass media communication. This is our communication chapter only. If you want to know more about the mass media and communication, you can follow the further reading also. Mass communication and development by Dr. Baldev Rajgupta, and mass communication in India, Keval J. Kumar. Mass communication journalism in India, D.S. Mehta. Mass communication theory, Dennis M. Quayle. These all are the reading and references about mass communication. This is not a small chapter, but in our syllabus this is enough for our UGC NET exam and JRF exam also. So that's why I just wind up in two videos: mass media, what is mass media and their role, objective, functions, how it play in our life also. We already discussed, right? So hope you get an all over the idea about the mass communication. If anybody want, this is a lockdown period and exam also extended. If you have enough time, you can follow these extra readings also if you want. Okay, if you that much interested in mass media communication, you can follow this 4 books also. Mass communication in India, that is Keval J. Kumar, and mass communication journalism in India, D.S. Mehta, and communication theory, Dennis M.C. Quayle. Okay, you can follow these books. These are best books of the mass media communication. Okay, I hope you understood our mass media. We will see tomorrow the next topic of communication. So today I am winding up. Thank you. If you have any doubts, please connect with us through comments, and also you have mail IDs of us, i-tutor.com@gmail.com. You can contact us through that. Okay, so thank you.